My name's Jason with Down East Heating and Air Conditioning out of North Carolina and South Carolina. Been in business for 36 years. I started out helping my father. He owned the company and still involved today. We have grown into 3 locations over the last 36 years. We've been using OnCall Air for I think about the last 3 years. Yeah, we were wanting something a little neater, something not handwritten from the truck. Looked at a couple different options, and when we got presented the OnCall Air, we felt like that would help boost our sales volume in being able to create the opportunities for our customers and giving them a better choice. We love the easiness of it. We love how you can pick and choose what equipment that you're wanting to offer, but also being able to give a choice to the customer in the different plans that we offer. One thing that we've seen with our technicians, we let them sell off the OnCall Air app. And what we've seen is our sale ratings go up, our demand pricing for the customers, being able to close easier. But one of the main things that I've seen is one of our technicians has been able to close a sale of $28,000. Getting started in the OnCall Air app was an easy process for us. The OnCall Air team helped us every step of the way. Even after we got OnCall Air set up and we would have questions, we could just text them and ask them questions. And even we've been able to go beyond that, even with their social media, and build relationships with the OnCall Air team.